So, if your brain can change, what's actually happening inside your skull? Let's make the science clear and practical. Your brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons, tiny electrical messengers that communicate through connections called synapses. Every thought, habit, skill, or memory you have exists as a specific pattern of these neural connections. When we talk about neuroplasticity, we're really talking about two types of change. First, structural plasticity. This is when your brain builds entirely new connections between neurons. Imagine creating new roads between cities that never had a direct route before. This happens when you learn something completely new, like a language or instrument. Second, functional plasticity. This is when existing connections get stronger or weaker based on use. Think of it like a dirt path that becomes a highway with repeated use, or a highway that becomes overgrown when abandoned. Your brain does the same with neural pathways. Here's the fundamental rule discovered by neuroscientist Donald Hebb. Neurons that fire together, wire together. What does that mean practically? When you repeatedly activate a specific pattern of brain activity, practicing piano, thinking anxious thoughts, or scrolling through social media, those neural pathways strengthen. The connection becomes faster and more automatic. This is how habits form. It's also how you can break them. Let's say you check your phone first thing every morning. That's a neural pathway. Every time you do it, that connection strengthens. But here's the powerful part. If you stop activating that pathway and start building a new one, like meditation instead, the old pathway weakens while the new one strengthens. Your brain constantly reorganizes itself based on what you do most. Whatever gets the most attention and repetition wins. This is why understanding this principle matters so much. Once you grasp that your repeated actions physically reshape your brain's wiring, you realize you have way more control than you thought.